going to read a book gonna be called Don't Push the Button. Let's say good night. Hi, Larry here. It's time for bed, but I'm not sleepy. I say we push the button instead. Yawn. Oh no, pushing the button made me super sleepy. Will you help me get ready for bed? Okay, let's take a deep breath. In and out. Bath time. Can you pop the bubbles? Can you help me pick out some PJs? My shirt's stuck on my shirt's stuck on my horns. Can you help pull it down? Thank you. Now we brush our teeth. Can you show me how you brush? Whoa, you're a super good brusher. Now we pick a stuffed animal. I'm choosing my special bear. Tap who you want to pick. Time to read a story. Hey, you're already doing that. You don't think I'm going to bed without a hug, do you? Can you turn the light off? Lasting. Could you tuck me in by turning the page? Thank you for helping me with bedtime. I'm so cozy. Sweet dreams. And that's the end of Don't Push the Button. Let's say goodnight, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!